What's up, kinks? It's NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is another That Nap Life video. I want to talk to y'all about my love for one of the best hair strengthening hair masks that doesn't involve protein. Y'all want to know what it is? Well, keep watching. NappyFu checking in. Let go. So, what is one of the best no protein having hair strengtheners that I definitely am a fan of? If you know me, you guessed it. Henna, 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 hey, henna, 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 henna. Yes, henna, 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 however you want to pronounce it, is one of the best hair masks you can use, whether you use it foolproof henna or you make a henna gloss like what I have on video. Either way, as long as henna is involved, you are definitely adding some strength back into your hair without having to actually use protein. And for those who claim to be protein sensitive, a lot of y'all might find some success in using this wonderful herbal powder. Henna is one of the only hair treatments that genuinely does thicken hair strands over time and adds strength to our hair. The dye molecule, not to get too deep, y'all, but let me just give you a little 411, okay? The dye molecule in henna called losum has a high affinity to the keratin in our hair, and hair that has been treated with henna has been shown to weigh more than hair that has not been treated. So yes, y'all, those that are looking for some volume to your hair, using henna on a regular basis could do just that for you. See, if you think about it, protein treatments are basically, it's a treatment that attaches itself to your hair to improve moisture retention, basically, right? Because the less gaps you have, the more you're able to retain moisture, okay? So that's what protein's goal is. So when it comes to strengthening your hair, the goal is to fill in gaps. The less gaps you have, the more you're able to maintain moisture, and the stronger your hair is, also less breakage. Well, henna kind of does the same job, and because it's like really attracted to the keratin in our hair. So it has a high affinity for the keratin that's in our hair strands. So in a way, it kind of does fill in the gaps the same way your typical and basic protein treatment does. Except you can use henna as much as you really want to without having to worry about a quote-unquote protein overload. Well, for most hair. I can't speak for everyone's hair, but a lot of people can testify to this. Now, there's many ways to henna. So when I said you can do this as many times as you want to, I think I'm talking more about the henna gloss option. Full-blown henna treatment, you might find that to be a bit too strong to be doing all the time. But again, assess what your hair can handle and move accordingly to that. Henna glosses can be done as often as you're doing deep conditioners, because henna gloss is a bit lighter. I do have several videos on henna, so please check out the playlist. The link will be inside the description box, as well as in the top right hand corner underneath that eye, okay? But yeah, as you can see all up on your screen, I'm using a henna gloss. I really like to work it through into my 4C hair, and henna glosses give you the freedom to do this, to rake it through your hair, because you use some kind of cream or oil to make it more, give it more fluidity to it. But a henna treatment, like full-blown henna treatment, you won't have as much fluidity, so there'll be no raking. It'll be more like smoothing it through your hair. I know y'all probably tired of me talking about, y'all should look into some natural herbs, y'all. Get into a natural herb life. Some of y'all might not be into mixing your own stuff, which is a-okay. So let me just encourage you, when you do go to the ethnic hair care aisle or you go to Sally's or whatever, try to look for products that has a lot of natural ingredients, especially anyone that has natural herbs in it. Okay, some of these companies do include these type of herbs and oils in their hair product, like in their ingredients. Make sure it's towards the top, because that means it has the most of it in there. However, do not be shocked. Don't be surprised if the price is like, oh my god, walele. Yes, it can be a little pricey when you buy these products that includes these natural herbs and oils like amla oil or brahmi oil or marshmallow root or even bentonite clay in there. Like they up the price a little bit because they have such great ingredients. However, like I said before, y'all, you could just get those ingredients yourself and just make it yourself. I beg, please explore. Don't be scared. But make sure you watch a lot of videos, look at a lot of research, and just try a small batch of mixing yourself. And you might notice, okay, this is not too bad. And you're going to be saving some coins, okay? henna glosses, just like you do with the regular deep conditioner, you can include heat. So you can sit underneath your bonnet cap, hooded dryer, and so on. Or I'm trying out this thing called a thermal cap, I believe. Got it from Hot Heads about a year or so ago, actually. Just getting around to trying it out. Y'all, I don't know if y'all use this or if you have used this before. It is convenient and I love the concept. However, I don't like how the heat is not evenly balanced. It was mainly in the middle of my part. So I keep on trying to massage it to make it move down, but it didn't go anywhere. So it was just there. It was favoring the middle of my head, the crown section, and not the rest. So I didn't like it too much, y'all. But I do like the concept, but it's a no-go for me. 1 hour later, and there we have it. Done, complete, finished. I am tired. But yes, one thing I want to say, can you see strength on people's hair? Like, okay, you know one thing I wish I did that I didn't do, that I really feel like is horrible that I didn't do it. I didn't track my hair when it was damaged. When I had the hair, I mean, I still have hair struggles, but I didn't track the progress of my hair from torn up from the floor up. Wait, I said that wrong. Toe up from the flow up to where it is now. It's not so toe up. You know what I'm saying? I didn't track it. I didn't track when the front of my hair was very choppy and it never grew. I didn't track when the sides of my hair was choppy and it never grew. I didn't track when my edges were damn near depleted. You know, I didn't track when the crown of my head wouldn't grow past the length of my thumb. I wish I would have tracked all that. I wish I would have had pictures, but I never thought I'd be on YouTube. I never thought I'd have a YouTube channel with the YouTube name NappyFu with talking about that nap life. I just, you see God. You see how God just moves you from different places. I didn't know, but now I know. So just take my word for it that this girl's hair is struggled, and I still have my struggles, and I will have a video coming up soon in which, I talk about, I'm going to talk in more detail the struggles that I do have, because that's definitely something I realized I don't really have on my channel. I don't talk about the ups and the downs. I talk about, I don't really have a these are my natural hair struggles video. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do it a lot more and in my own kind of way. Like, I don't want just one video. It might be the struggles of the week type of video. So I don't know. I'm figuring that part out. Any ideas, I'm definitely open to it. Let me know in the comment box below. Okay. So yeah, henna glosses. There's henna with color. There's also henna, neutral henna, which is called cassia or cassia. I'm probably saying it wrong, but different ways to henna, different hennas to get. As always, research it, y'all. Like, you can look at my videos, you can look at everybody's videos, you can read several blogs, but there's nothing better than you gaining the knowledge for yourself. Okay, there's nothing better than you reading and retaining that wisdom and growing from it. So definitely learn. But I can tell you, henna can be a success for your hair journey if you use it right and you use it in the way that your hair likes. Some people hair likes full-blown henna treatments. Some like henna glosses only. So just decide what does your hair respond to the best. Okay. Ayurvedic methods as a whole is something I do want to, again, encourage y'all to look into. If you don't want to be in that DIY life, it's okay. Look for products that contains these Ayurvedic herbs and oils, and you would notice, again, a change in your life. Ayurvedic hair products has been known to prevent hair loss, control gray hair, keep gray hair at bay for those who don't want gray, stop breakage. Oh, y'all like that little, look at that. Y'all like that right there? I'm getting a little fancy. I'm trying to get a little fancy with my video editing. That's a kind of cool effect that I found. Anyway, yeah, look into it, y'all. So the wonderfulness of henna is, to my opinion, a 4C girl best friend, because we experience the most breakage because our hair is the most kinkiest. So to keep that breakage at bay, henna your life away. Oh, that's cute. I should put that on a t-shirt. But y'all know what I mean. Yeah, get into it. Get into the Ayurvedic. That's all. But be cautious. Be careful. It's at your own risk. Do your research. All right. Today's NapChat question is, what is one of your favorite hair masks or hair conditioners or DIY masks that adds strength back to your hair? That one mask that you love, that you know helps control breakage for you. Let us know in the comment box below. Trust me, your answer would definitely help another kink out. Okay? So share. hair.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that.
And I will catch y'all kinks on the next one. So yes, there you have it. Once again, your girl is on your screen talking about that henna, the Ayurvedic life, okay? It has definitely changed my hair around, okay? Only if Ayurvedic can also help with this weight loss, okay? This little 20 pounds I'm trying to get rid of in my tummy area. I'm just like, okay, anyway. All right, y'all. Till next time, remember, to have healthy hair, you gotta do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful.